The placing of concrete by pump and pipeline dates back to the early 1900s, when concrete was moved through the pipeline by live steam and compressed air. In the early 1930s, Rex Chain Belt Company of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, introduced the Rex Pumpcrete in the United States. The Rex Pumpcrete is a mechanical drive piston concrete pump. 6 and 8-inch diameter pipelines were required for Pumpcretes. Through the 1930s and 40s and into the 1950s, Rex Pumpcretes were in use throughout the United States and the world. Here we see Rex Pumpcretes used on a variety of large construction projects: bridge decks, high-rise buildings, sewage treatment plants, dams, breakwaters, piers, docks, and tunnels. The Rex Pumpcrete was the true pioneer of concrete pumping in the United States. In the late 1950s and early 60s, several manufacturers in Europe and the United States developed and introduced to the construction industry hydraulic or fluid drive concrete pumps. These new soft push concrete pumps permitted the use of smaller diameter placing line systems than the earlier models of mechanical drive machines. The lighter, easier to handle, smaller diameter concrete placing lines encourage the placing of concrete by pumping on almost all types of concrete construction projects. Beginning in the early 1960s, concrete pump manufacturers provided a variety of sizes of concrete pumps, whereby concrete placing line diameters of 2 inches to 6 inches could be used. These relatively smaller concrete placing line diameters made it possible to use a flexible rubber hose at the discharge end of the placing line. Concrete pump manufacturers in the late 1960s introduced the articulated concrete placing boom for use with the truck-mounted mobile concrete pumps, or for use as independent placing booms. The use of the truck-mounted articulating boom concrete pump brought concrete pumping to many more job sites. Fast setup, savings in labor, and the ability to serve several job sites in one day are just a few of the many advantages of the truck-mounted concrete pump with an articulating boom. Improved quality control at ready-mix plants, concrete mix designs more favorable for pumping, better gradation of concrete aggregates, and the use of additives all help to promote the increased use of concrete pumping through the 1960s and into the 1970s.